Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video I'm going to continue with toolbar. Actually these 9 tools are same at the object mode and the edit mode. You can see these are same and you add other tools when you change your mode to edit mode from object mode to edit mode. So don't be confused when you see in the edit mode or in the object mode. There isn't any difference between them. So for our first tool is select box, because we have a box here. Let me show you. As you can see with its name, it is selecting tool. And if you click this, you can click just one thing, but if you wanted to select all these things, for example, you can click left mouse button and make a box. You can see you can select all these things in your box. But if you wanted to change it, you can use come here and click this right bottom corner, and you can use tweak just one. You can't make, for example, here a box. At the same time, there's a shortcut. You can click W to change it. For example, W, W, W. You can see here W. If you press W and select this select circle, select lasso, select box, and tweak. With tweak, you can select just one. With select box, you can select all these things in your box. With circle, you can select, if you press, you can shift, you can select many things in object mode. And with lasso, you can use all the thing in your in your area you draw it. In object mode, for example, you have here. If you click circle, select circle, you can select everything without clicking shift. You can see here. The difference is just this one. For example, you can click everything here without extra clicking. If you wanted to extra click, you have to press shift. But if you press left mouse button and you don't do not and you still continue to hit the left button, you don't need to select press shift in this situation. And at the same time, you can use lasso here, lasso select lasso. You can use tweak, just one faces. That's all in this select box. It is very simple, and thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and see you at next video.